Here I have a quarter moon. Looking at it with a Celestron NexStar 5SE, that's 5-inch. At the same time, I compared it with this Meade ETX 125, again 5-inch. This takes a long time. The disturbance inside the airway, convection inside the tube is too much. Never really can bring it to sharp focus. With this one, with the first try with the Meade, you can bring it to focus. It's not the only one. I have Omni, Celestron Omni XLT 125 5-inch, and again the same problem. So optically it seems to me that the Meade, at least in these two specimens, in the specimen that I have, has a better image than this. Comes to a clear focus sooner, and the image is crisp, sharp. With this one you don't get really that crispness. Get it for a fraction of a second like that, then that passes. The current and the movement of the air inside it is too much. Also vibrates. Never really settles actually. I think that the Meade is a better option if you want to use a telescope for observing the moon. In this two specimens that I have, which one I prefer? I prefer the Meade. I think optically Meade ETX 125 in this specimen, in this model that I have, in this telescope that I have, is superior to Celestron NexStar 5SE. I've even tried this lowest magnification, one of the lowest magnifications, highest magnification I should say, lowest focal numbers that I have. This is a TMB optical 6mm eyepiece. I got a very clear image of a mysterious, actually, crater that I saw. I have to look at it. At this illumination, it looked as if there is a jagged edge to this crater. It looked like illuminated, very brighter than the other parts, the edges. Anyway, I will look later in that on a map just to see how it is. But superior. Meade ETX in this specimen, in this sample, in model that I have, in this telescope that I have, is superior, optically superior. I don't think Celestron can come close to even this one. I've tested both of them at different magnification, different eyepieces. Look, this is the range of eyepieces I used on that. That is the 6mm. This is a 15mm. This is the Celestron's own 40mm Plusso. This is Nirvana's Skywatcher Nirvana 16mm, and this is the actual, this came with this Celestron NexStar telescope 25mm Plusso from Celestron itself. And in every case the Meade was superior. The image was clear, crystal clear, sharp. This is the choice that we have. A Celestron, beautiful orange color, and a inconspicuous but superior in optics. In this specimen, Meade ETX. Which one I prefer? If I didn't have that Meade, I would go with this. But now I have the Meade, I think this is not as good. You may have to go.
One person who might figure very significantly, and you can see him at the far end of the government farm bench in the middle of the aisle there, is Julian Smith, Chief Whip.